Good afternoon. I am going to be doing a speed cleaning video. It is autumn time and the house is just needing a really good clean into cupboards and things like that. We've kind of done the living room more or less, that's not too bad, but the kitchen is absolutely desperate, and it's not really the outside, it's inside that really needs a good tidy up. All the cupboards need organising and cleaned. So I'm going to do the kitchen today. It's pouring rain today, so perfect day to do it. Olivia's napping, just gone down for a nap, so I am going to get cracking and we will get started. So I'll just show you very quickly what we're faced with. So we've got cupboards all the way along the bottom, so I think I'm just going to start at the bottom and work my way up. Obviously all the surfaces right round, and then the cupboards at the top, and then the top of the cupboards as well, because I think they're really bad. Probably get the fridge done, and that cupboard's all down there. I probably won't get the oven because that's a job in itself. I think I'm going to have to invest in some products to get that cleaned because it's awful. But yeah, that's kind of it. Hopefully a couple hours should get a good amount of work done, and you can see how I get on.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock them down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way, what can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock them down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane.
a disheveled look. I'm done. But that's it, pretty much finished. I think the only thing that really didn't get done was the fridge and the cooker, but I'm happy enough with that. I've got everything else done. I'm happy, everything's clean and tidied and organised, and what needed to be binned is binned, and what needed to go other places is other places. So I'll just give you a quick show and you can see the difference. It smells and looks really clean. So yeah, it's obviously all cleaned at the top of the units. Excuse that door, we are waiting to get that fixed. We're all tidy. At the top I've tidied up some of that stuff as well and tidied the units, and it's just looking much better. So that's my kitchen autumn speed clean. I really hope you've liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you are new, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you later. Bye!
Maybe we should start living now.